So we have closed the roof so that you can actually hear what I'm saying. As nice as it is having a convertible, it makes it quite hard to have a conversation. So we're just on our way to Simon's place, and you know, I don't know exactly what he has for me, but I think it's some kind of award that he has for me. But let me give you a little bit of a backstory as to, you know, where I've come from and, you know, what I've done. So I used to work in Purple Parking, and you know, I did that for about 6 or 7 years, probably 7 years. And I remember having parking cars like this one, like the one I drive now. I remember parking M4s, and I'd get in it and I would just sit in the car for 10-15 minutes and just think, wow, this is amazing. I wish I could have this car. Obviously I could never afford anything like that at the time. So, you know, eventually I started my online business, and I started growing and growing and growing. So it was quite surreal for me to buy this car. And it's funny how, you know, the power of visualization, the law of attraction works. I now drive the car that I used to sit in at Purple Parking, and it's a much better car as well. You know, it's a much better car. So just goes to show you that anything is possible when you put your mind to it. So, you know, look, we'll see what Simon has for me. But one thing is for sure, a lot of action, a lot of implementation that I have been doing over the last few years has led to me having some tremendous results. And just to kind of let you know that I am nothing special. I don't have any kind of, you know, education past high school. And that's it. I don't have no college, no university, none of that stuff. And all I have is just a massive desire and hunger for success. And as long as you have that hunger and you set goals and you surround yourself with the right people, anything is possible. Anything is possible. So we're going to keep going, and we'll see you at Simon's place. So, come down to your place, Simon, and I must admit, I'm super intrigued. What is it you have for me?
Well, I have a little gift for you.
Okay.
In recognition of your sales. So, yeah, open it up, have a look.
Wow, okay. I have no idea what this is, by the way, so let's have a look. Look at that. £1 million award. So I just want to say a massive thank you to you because you've changed my life. I used to work in a car park, and a few short years, if you would have told me that this was even possible, I would have laughed at you. I really would have. But with the right coach, the right mentor, anything is possible. So Simon, thank you so much for all your help, support and guidance over these years.
No problem, you earned it.
Thank you very much. So I hope this video has inspired you. This is a £1 million award, and a few years ago I was working in a car park. To think this was possible was just not something that I believed in, and it just shows you the importance of having the right mindset, surrounding yourself with the right people, and most importantly, taking action. Implementation and action is the key, and there is a very good saying, action takers are the money makers. And look, if you've been learning, if you've been studying but not taking action, it could be the reason why you haven't achieved your goals just yet. So surround yourself with the right people, have the right mindset, get a coach, get a mentor, whatever you have to do to make it happen. And I promise you, anyone can do this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.